a refrigerated room.
You can see the lungs now. You can also see bile. It's that black oozy liquid next to that intestine.
Alright, stop. Evan, right here.
We're cutting out the steak, the ribs now.
Whoa, I fell.
Well, that's
Okay, that is an unsatisfying sound, but a satisfying sound.
very good. You're done. Stop. Stop.
He's fine. He's getting it out of the way.
And
Now you chop. No. Cut.
Now he's, See?
Yeah.
Throw it out there for the.
No, that's good. That's good. That's good eating.
I don't feel like making the ribs.
What I was thinking, I can just cook them up when we get home. I mean, you're gonna need to eat before you all leave.
I'm not hungry. I ate before I got here.
We're gonna stop at McDonald's.
I'll let you get to sleep.
What?
You're going to put this in the tub, right? And we're going to help at least get in the tub, and you'll get the water and salt in it.
Yeah. Then tomorrow we come out and finish processing it. Because we didn't get to hang it. Now, come here, Devin. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Look right down in there.
yeah,
See, there's more of the diaphragm
yeah,
and the connective tissues to
Get that
the
out.
lungs.
yeah.
No. I talked about the connector stuff. Give him light in there, please. Right here, behind the lung.
See, that's where, and there's one on the other side too. The lungs have to be pulled out.
And there's
There's your heart.
The heart.
Go in there.
Can I poke
Take it down.
Can I poke it?
No.
There's the heart.
Right here. The heart.
See. Now those lungs will provide the coyotes a meal.
Okay, Devin, I went 2 ribs down.
Don't throw the ribs. I'll cook them when I get to the.
I won't throw these ones because of you.
There should be some ribs down at the bottom, too.
Yeah.
Cut it.
Just set it back
And
here
then-
behind the lungs.
Now, if I wanted to take the time, we could make Korean short ribs. Those are delicious.
Set it down.
But you need a bandsaw so you can cut those bones into.
The bandsaw's no problem. I have a brand new one.
Then why aren't we using it?
Is it someone else's place? Yeah, I was going to ask you about that. And you have a belt sander, don't you?
A belt sander and a.
Slice.
Belt sander, I think's been opened, but the
Calm down.
bandsaw had never been opened. It was still in plastic.
Your turn.
Let's see here. Oh, back
Oh,
up.
I got a chop.
You're also going to need, remember, if they get too long,